Meantime, GOP presidential candidates continue their campaign pushes in Iowa, hoping to win the hearts and minds of voters ahead of the caucuses.
Meantime, former President Donald Trump spent the day yesterday in a D.C. federal court fighting for presidential immunity against prosecution for his alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election results. NBC's Bree Jackson has the very latest.
Less than a week before the first major test of presidential candidates' electability, the GOP frontrunner, former President Trump's focus was on convincing a federal court of appeals that he has absolute immunity from prosecution for charges related to efforts to overturn the 2020 election.
It's the opening of a Pandora's box, and that's a very sad thing that's happened with this whole situation.
The three-judge panel appeared skeptical, questioning the scope of the immunity claim.
Could a president who ordered SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political rival who was not impeached, would he be subject to criminal prosecution?
If he were impeached and convicted first.
So your answer is no.
My answer is qualified yes.
Mr. Trump's legal team contends that a president must be impeached and convicted by the Senate before they can be prosecuted. Trump was impeached but acquitted by the upper chamber during his 2020 impeachment trial. The Justice Department argues nothing in the Constitution shields him.
The president has a unique constitutional role, but he is not above the law.
With the 2024 presidential race heating up, the cold weather in Iowa has Trump's Republican rivals reaching out to voters any way they can.
If you all come out on January 15th, and I'm told it's going to be a very cold day.
Why, in October, November, and December, when I was like, it's cold. And they were like, no, this is mild. I get it now.
I think our voters are the type that are going to come out, they vote.
Iowa voters will have their say on January 15th. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.